Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to Living It Country. In today's video, we are in the tiny home and we are getting all of those little things done to get ready for my mom to move in. We are aiming for January 1st to have it fully furnished and ready for her to move in. So we've been bringing small things over here and there, and the other day she actually brought over some of her bathroom things that we are going to be styling with in today's video. Some great thrifted finds, so I can't wait to share that with you guys. We're adding her bathroom door on, her doorknobs, and even working on the kitchen knobs here very, very soon. So I can't wait to take you guys along today's video. And a special thank you to Walmart for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Not only do we get to make my mom's home cozy today, but I'm bringing you inside to share with you guys another way we are adding some comfort for this winter season. So stay tuned, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. We are starting today's video in our house in our son's room, and a big thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this portion of today's video. We are unboxing this gel memory foam. It's called the Sleepy's Mattress Topper, and this is from Mattress Firm. One thing I love about Walmart is they have so many unique options and different things for all of your home needs. Whether you need a new mattress or a mattress topper, maybe some new decor or furniture, Walmart can be your go-to spot. My kiddos each have a set of boucle white and pink kid chairs, both of those being from Walmart. We love buying furniture from Walmart, and I think it's such a great investment and even lasts the test of time. Now we're adding a king size one to our master bedroom, and this has felt like an absolute dream. I'm so thankful that I was able to get this right away, right to my front door, and create even cozier vibes in our master bedroom. If you're looking for some great art, the My Texas House collection at Walmart is a great go-to area to make your house feel like a home. And if you like that gingham style like I do, their bedding collection of My Texas House is a great one too. I would love to hear your go-to thing to buy for your home from Walmart in the comments down below. A big thanks to Walmart for sponsoring today's video, and I hope you guys have fun shopping in the description box down below. Now that the shower doors are officially installed, we thought it would be the perfect time, since all the projects in the bathroom that are major are accomplished, to reinstall this door and then add the doorknob. We ended up going with a privacy doorknob. Even though there's already a lock on her bedroom, we figured just in case the kids are over having a little slumber party or hanging out, that way there's still that privacy. And I love these gold knobs. They're all throughout the tiny home. And then of course, I wanted to share a glimpse into the master bedroom and share with you guys this beautiful green rug. We're adding all things green to this tiny home, and I'm absolutely loving it because it's one of my mom's favorite colors too. Now, this end table I'm hoping to get on the right side. We shall see. I think it would complement the space so much with the matching lamp too. So we'll see if we end up doing that. And I anticipated sharing with you guys the bathroom mirror and showing the whole install, but I really want your guys' input on this. I purchased a 22 by 36 mirror, and the dimensions for the wall, having the mirror exactly underneath the mason jar lights, would need to be 20 by 36, and so the mirror ends up going underneath the mason jars. So right here's my husband and I trying to figure out if it's a good fit or not. My husband thought it looked great. I am kind of questioning it. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Should I get a different size mirror, or should I leave it just as is? Now we're cleaning up these floors because goodness, DIY projects sure make the space a little bit messy. And I love these floors. I want to keep them nice. And we're just adding a few things that my mom brought over before she left for work that she's been saving for this tiny home. Lots of thrifted finds. And so we're so excited. Lots of new tag thrifted finds, I shall add. So she is a great thrifter, and I can't wait to share with you guys even more. This was a basket that I actually got my mom a few Mother's Days ago, and I paired it with some cleaning supplies that were orange scented because it just looked so cute. So we brought that to hold all the toilet paper, and then I just added her little soap canisters. And this might not be my style, but this is most definitely hers. And so I'm really excited to bring that to life. She also brought over that toilet paper holder, and I thought that that was actually really cute and something that I would love for my home. Then I just added one of my holiday candles because she loves these candles so much, and she hasn't tried that scent, so hopefully she likes it. I'm curious to know, what is your go-to scent for candles? I would love to know in the comments down below. I love this little basket because it's the perfect dimension for 3 rolls of toilet paper, and then I just added all of the rest underneath this little vanity for her. One thing I have not chatted about with my mom is photography and art for this tiny home. I am so excited to play around with this with her. She is somebody who loves to have family photos in her home, so I'm really excited to see if we can do maybe some of those peel and stick photos in her home and be able to change those out maybe season by season, or kind of just collect them over time and maybe do kind of a fun photo wall around her frame TV. I thought that would be a really cool idea. And then I'm stocking her up on some new towels and adding that to under her vanity. I think one of my favorite parts of this bathroom is definitely the beadboard. I love how it gives a cottage feel and adds just the perfect amount of character. We didn't want this space to be cold feeling. We wanted it to feel warm and inviting, and I think that that gives the perfect amount with that. So here we are putting all of those away, and it just means it's one step closer to her moving in, which we can't wait for. Less than 2 months away. Here's a special look for you guys. Now we're gonna move along to the kitchen, and it's been about a month since we've installed the kitchen and all of the appliances in this space, and we're loving the way that this has turned out and looked. And so right now we're going to be installing the knobs on the kitchen cabinets, which we're very excited about. This last week we were even able to get the countertops installed, which they actually match pretty darn well to ours in our home, and this island ended up turning out almost even more amazing and larger than I could have anticipated. Now I'm just opening up all of the knobs, and sadly I think I threw away a few of the pulls and knobs. We just cannot find them anywhere, and so we didn't get to finish the knobs on the island, but hopefully I can find those soon. They've been missing for quite a few months now. This gold element just really makes the kitchen pop, and the goal is to be able to have the least amount of decor as possible, with just the whole home just having a beautiful chance to shine. As you guys can see, the only thing on the countertops is the basket with the candles, and just everything is already looking so beautiful. And I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you stick around for next week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love sharing with you guys our home as well as the tiny home and bringing you guys along this journey with us. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check out the description box below where you guys can shop all things Walmart. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye friends.